everybody, welcome back to Kicks. In the second half, this is going to be quick, simple, on foot. Let's just get straight into the on foot. The Champion. What are these shoes called? Let me look at the box. The Swipe color block, just a simple low cut shoe, definitely under 100. I can't remember exactly what I paid for. Got these from Hibbett Sports. They're still available. I will put the link in the description below if you want to check that out. But definitely a cool shoe, a great nod to BHM, Black History Month, with the colorways that are traditional to the theme: the green, the gold, the black, the red. Then you break it up with some white. And what I love most, the gum bottoms. Those are super dope. I think it makes the shoe look super clean. You got the Champion logo, maybe a little excessive depending on your taste, maybe not as much on the toe for me. I'll make it work. Definitely, if you're thinking about styling this Black History Month colorways, what better styling than to actually wear the Support Black Colleges hoodie? Anybody can wear that hoodie. Don't discriminate against yourself when deciding whether or not you should buy that hoodie. I think it's a dope hoodie. Comes in all different kind of colors, but the main logo has these colors in it: the black, the red, the green, the gold, or the yellow against a white background. I like the black one. That's the one I chose to purchase. They also have it in like pink, orange, yellow, red, green, you name it, they have it. I will leave the link for the hoodie in the description as well if you're wanting to cop one of those. It has a patch on the sleeve. I think that's really dope. I've already done this shoe before in a review before I had editing. A nod to Black History Month. So everybody, happy February. Thank you for kicking it in the second half. If you are subscribed, stay tuned, turn the notification bell on, because I do have more shoes to drop and review. Go to the Instagram, KISH YZ, KISH_YZ, to see me wearing this shoe with whatever outfit that I'm wearing, plus other shoes as well. You can go back and archive. Thank you, everybody. Peace and love.